What's going on, y'all? Tribe here with another PSA. Most people don't realize how important the law is until it's already affecting their lives. The system doesn't pause because you're confused. It keeps moving. And if you don't understand what's happening, you can lose more than you ever expected. I learned the hard way. There was a time I didn't know what emotion was. I didn't know what concurrent meant. I didn't understand appeals, deadlines, or what I was even signing. I just knew I was in trouble and the system was moving fast. And here's the truth. Most people don't want to hear that the law does not slow down because you don't understand it. It keeps moving. Judges move, prosecutors move, deadlines move, paperwork moves. And if you don't understand what's happening, you get carried along with it. And that's dangerous. When I was incarcerated, places like this became my classroom. Not because I wanted to be a lawyer, not because I was trying to be smart, but because my freedom depended on understanding what had happened to me. Most people only learn about the law when they're already in handcuffs, and that's backwards. Understanding the law isn't about being anti-police or anti-system. It's about protecting yourself. It's about knowing what you're agreeing to before fear makes the decision for you. A lot of people think having a lawyer means you can sit back. That's not how it works. Lawyers are humans. They have a heavy caseload. They're juggling dozens of files. And if you don't understand your own case, you're gambling with your future. You don't have to become an expert, but you have to become aware. Things like, what does probation really mean? What does a plea deal actually do to your record? What rights do you have during questioning? What deadlines exist in your case? These are not small details. These are life-changing details. I've watched people take deals they didn't understand. I've watched people talk themselves into new charges. I've watched people sign papers just to make the pressure stop. Pressures make bad decisions feel like relief. Knowledge slows everything down. When you understand the law, you stop reacting emotionally and start thinking strategically. And I'm not saying the system is perfect, by a long shot. I lived the reality that mistakes happen. My conviction was overturned. That didn't happen because I got lucky. It happened because I learned the law, filed motions, and refused to quit. But here's the part that matters most. I shouldn't have had learned it from a prison cell. That's why I say this all the time. Learn your rights before the system teaches you. This room represents something bigger than books. It represents empowerment. It represents not folding under pressure. It represents taking responsibilities for your own defense. Because at the end of the day, whether you're guilty, innocent, or somewhere in between, understanding the law is power. And power is protection. So don't wait until you're in a crisis. Don't wait until you're sitting in a cell. Don't wait until someone slides paperwork in front of you. Educate yourself now. Ask questions now. Read now. Because once a decision is made in that courtroom, it's hard to undo. I'm standing here today not bitter, not angry, but aware. And awareness is what saved me. Learn your rights before the system teaches you.